Hey everyone, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy and I'm back with Miss Aria today. Say hi.
Hi.
She's a little bashful. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some cute double French backs into high braided buns. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. That would really help support our channel and we would really appreciate it. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. Okay, so to start this style, you can part in the center if you want it perfectly symmetrical. Hers is just slightly parted to the left side here. And we're going to do French braids on each side. If you prefer to do Dutch braids, you could do that, but we're going to do French braids. So we're going to start by picking up a small triangular section in the front, and we're going to split that into 3. And to do a French braid, you just cross your outside strands over your middle strands. And we have a tutorial on our channel on how to French braid and do double French braids, if you'd like to check that out. And then as you go, you just pick up hair and add it in, and then cross it over. I'm keeping the hair kind of going back on the top instead of down towards her ear, because that's where I want the buns to be, is kind of on the top. You can do this style on dry hair or damp hair. Either way is fine. She has a lot of frizzies and her hair is damp right now, but just a little damp. That helps keep the frizzies in check. Let's see. I think that's all I'm going to braid in of her hair. Yeah, that's as much as I'm going to braid in. Now I'm just going to finish this braid off without adding any hair to it. Okay, so once you've braided it down, just take a small elastic and secure the end. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, once you have your 2 braids finished, this is where you're going to make your buns. Now, if you want your buns to be like more loose and puffy and relaxed, like if you were doing this style on a little older girl, or if you were doing it on yourself and you wanted it to be more relaxed and less structured, you could just pancake the braid out just by taking the edges of the braids and pulling the edges. But for a little girl like her, I think it looks good just to leave it pulled together like this. All we're going to do is wrap the braid around itself right where the French braid ends. And then tuck the ends under and secure it in place with bobby pins. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Now this braid is a little smaller because I had her hair parted on this side, but that's okay. That's how we wanted it. And that's the finished style. turn around here. We really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and show us some love and click subscribe down below. We'd really love to have you as part of our YouTube family. And that's it for this one, guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.